Welcome to the StatTree video module for testing for univariate normality. To test whether a continuous variable in sample data meets the assumption for normality, when the sample has more than 20 cases, the Kolmogorov-Smirnov One-sample Test for normality would be appropriate. When the sample has 20 cases or less, the Shapiro-Wilk One-sample Test for normality would be appropriate. You will need at least one continuous variable to run these tests. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, any of the scale questions 3 through 7 would be appropriate for the continuous variable for our demonstration. For this demonstration, we will use question 5. With the PEVS dataset loaded into the global environment in our studio, you would choose history as the continuous variable. To run the Kolmogorov-Smirnov and Shapiro-Wilk test, create a new script box. In the script box, type in the following code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. Select the code. Now press the Run icon. R will generate an output in the console window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is the significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here for the Shapiro-Wilk test and here for the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. In this test, if the significance figure is below the preset criterion, the null hypothesis that the sample distribution is normal on this variable would be rejected. You would report that the sample is not normal, and these results would influence decisions about which statistical test should be run when utilizing this variable. To see what this output looks like, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.